Welcome back to the Jaguar project. We're going to be working this morning on getting the engine out. We have pretty much everything underneath done except for the reaction plate. We have the drive shaft unhooked. You can see it's unbolted here in the front and in the back. Kind of a unique design with these cars. The drive shaft cannot be removed from the car unless either the engine or the rear end is removed. There's a tunnel, a literal tunnel underneath that the drive shaft is in. So one of the two components needs to be removed before it can be removed. We're going to be working on getting the front suspension unbolted, get the shocks unbolted, and we have to unbolt the upper control arm from the spindle to relieve the tension on the torsion bars. Once the torsion bars tension is released, we can remove the reaction plate underneath the car, and that will allow us ease of removing the engine. So let's get at it. Well, we made a lot of progress today. We got the engine out of the car. Had a few minor snags, but it wasn't too bad. Next thing we're going to tackle is getting the rear suspension out of the car and finish unbolting the front suspension. But that's it for tonight. Thanks for watching.